Morning guys and gals, Froggy here. I'm not going to show you this whole project, but I just want to show you this little rig that I put together, so it might help you out if you have a similar project. Anyway, I've got these lanterns. This is just one part of it, and they're cast aluminum, and I wanted to refinish them, and so I needed to scrape off all this old paint and scrape off the oxidation. So I know it's going to be a really dirty job. You can see some of the debris here. So I didn't want to do it inside on my bench. So I took my vise off the bench and I lagged it to this big block of wood that I've got so that I had something solid. I mounted this drill. These are just little soft faces. I mounted this drill which has a lock on it, so you can lock the drill to running, and this one actually has a reversible. I didn't need the reversible part, but I locked the drill in, put the wire wheel in there, running. And I could clean up the lanterns, and it worked pretty well. So just wanted to share it with you, not the whole project, but just how to put together something outside where something's going to be dirty and hold a wire brush, a circular wire brush in place like that, so you have both hands. So be safe, have fun. Froggy out. Let's go, Brandon. Don't forget to vote.